bit more to this side. Yeah. Nice, beautiful. One step to this place.
Yeah. It was more difficult than I imagined. Yeah.
But no worry, this is the biggest one.
Yeah. Yeah, me neither. And that's 60 meters or 60?
Okay, now we're going to be inside the mountain. That's why this is called Deep River.
Deep
From
river.
now on, there's no emergency escape, only to the end. You have to commit. That's why the people need to be mentally prepared.
Can I jump?
Yeah, but raise the knee, okay?
Yeah.
Raise the knee. Equalize the extra stroke. Plus, this is your brake, remember? You can hold this pen here for the moment.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Now continue.
Oh.
Yeah, now it was two-way street.
So apparently this used to be a road for cars, but it's got destroyed.